Heidi ho, welcome to my channel, Your Finger My Ring. So today I'm doing something a bit different. This is a South African £1 coin. I don't know though, it don't look that clever, does it? I tell you what, let's do a bit more magic. Okay, ready? Why not do a victory cross? Hey, what do you reckon? Right, for this one, obviously this is going to be face down in the die. That means it'll be sunny side up on the ring. I haven't done one of these ones before. 2006. Right, let's get going. First of all, we've got a bunch of hole in it. And I think on this one, I will use a 1/2 inch punch. And I think that's 9/16. That's 1/2 inch. Right. Don't need that. We don't need that. We need that. And we need the 50p. So now we're going to put the self-centering cap on. This centers the coin over the punch hole, so you can guarantee it of a dead center. Right, there you go, 1/2 inch. Let's go over to Big Bertha. Oh, she's getting a bit wet again. I'm gonna have to fill this up with some oil soon. One day it just won't work. Right, this is my 20-ton hydraulic press. Soon be the weekend again, eh? They fly in, don't they? Right. Just give it a slap on the bottom. If you recently subscribed, thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. It's weird though, over 90% of the people checking out my video are not subscribed. Hit that little button. That automatically subscribes you. Hit the bell icon. And watch the clown at work. Right. That's quite a nice punch through. There's some little rough areas on there, as you can see. So we want to clean them up with Christy Burr, my deburring tool. You just want to make sure there's no micro scratches in there or little cracks forming. Otherwise your ring will split as you start stretching it. When I first started doing this, I used to split quite a few of my rings. Because you're not too sure, like, you know, what you're doing. But now, and the annealing as well. I didn't used to anneal it enough. Ah, that'll be alright, that'll do. No, it won't. There you go. That's pretty good. Right, now we want to show it some love with Bernie, the fire starter. If you're looking for a custom ring, look no further. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings are in EU size. But if you want that particular ring that's in the shop, I can make it larger or smaller for you. I just want your ring size. You can give me your ring size in EU or UK or American. I can convert it for you, or you can go on YouTube and there's loads of ring charts, sizes, conversion tables, stuff like that. Right, so obviously this is going to be face side up on the ring, sunny side up. So that is going to go face down on this 17-degree folding die. What do you think of the magic at the beginning of the video? Should I keep doing it, or you think it's a bit silly? I just do it to try and change things up a bit, you know. It's got a big red. This is Conan, 17-degree folding cone. Turn it over. That was a bit too small to start with, but we're getting there. Okay, that is one fully folded. 50p. Look at Sandy, and she's a nice bit of very fine sandpaper. You just check it to make sure that there's no tiny micro cracks forming or splits. See that? Nice and shiny, no cracks forming. That's a good one. Right, let's go over to our best friend. Yep, Spike. We love him. He's a character and a half. Okay, the kitchen roll prevents you from losing detail on the inside of the ring. You didn't know I was a magician, did you? Let's start to work harden again. So we'll get out Bernie and show this 50p a bit more love. I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. It's free, costs you nothing. Helps me out a lot. Okay, that's good enough. Dry it off. Okay, let's go back to Spike. So there you go. Now I just want to straighten up them walls. They're pretty straight already, to be quite honest with you. No, you see this with the camera, they looked straight, but when I look with my eye, they're not that straight. And I haven't had a drink, honestly, so let's does this one fit? Let's start off with the 17-degree folding die. That's a good start for this. It looks like it wants to go. Back a bit. Yeah. These are reducing dies, this plate. There's different sizes on each side. Still looking a bit. Oh, that's better. Even with my eye you can see that's better. Okay. So this is a Victoria Cross 50p. Right, let's clean it up a bit. I sent Kate to the hairdressers yesterday. I give her a few quid and said, go and sort out your hair, you look a bloody mess. And there she is. You're looking gorgeous, darling. Right. I don't hardly polish the outside of the rings because I like to see the detail. A few more revs. Okay. How's that looking? Yeah, it's the first one of these I've done. £50. And that's why you use the kitchen roll on the inside between the ring and spike. You don't lose any of the detail. Right, let's give it a bit of oh, I didn't do the I've got a few of these coins left. If you want me to make yours from beginning, all I need is your ring size. I filmed the whole process and put it on YouTube for you. Right, let's get a bit of polish. Cocktails? Cocktails, anybody? Oh, lovely. And I didn't have curry last night for dinner. Yeah. Everything I do is a mess. But that's me, you know. It can't all be... some people have got to be messy, and I'm one of them. But it ain't that bad being messy. I quite enjoy it. Let's give the outside a bit of a rub, just a bit of a shine. Look at that. Get up my nearly clean cloth. Like I say, my girlfriend cleans these up after the video because my hands are still covered in bloody polish and God knows what. See how shiny that is inside? I'll tell you what, let's get Felt and John on the case. This is just a felt. See how what happens with this. Should come up quite shiny. See that straight away. So, like I say, I don't often polish the outside of the ring, but that's come up quite nice. Anyway, that bit's a bit sad still. I must have missed that bit. There you go. 150p. I call these crown rings. I think they're stunning. And a lot of you people seem to think they're quite good as well. So thanks for watching. Love you all. And catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye. So be bye-bye.